Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a MacBook Pro. Some other buttons on the right side of its keyboard are not working. Its model number is MacBook Pro A1706. Let's fix it like. First, unscrew all the screws on the back. Slide out the back cover. Disconnect the battery. Disconnect all connectors by unscrewing them. Disconnect the network wire as well. Also, disconnect the display connector. Disconnect the Type-C connector and the speaker connector as well. Unscrew all the screws on the motherboard. Unscrew the hinges. The motherboard will pop out of the frame. Unscrew the fan. And disconnect both the fans and take them out. Unscrew the display connector to remove the display. You will also unscrew the network connector. Separate the display from the frame. Unscrew the battery connector. Removing the mic connector using a heat gun. Disconnect the keyboard. Remove the keyboard, backlight from the keyboard. Unscrew all the screws on the keyboard. Now break the keyboard very gently and come out. After removing the keyboard, take a new keyboard and put it back in. Tighten all the screws on the keyboard. Reinstall the backlight. Reinstall both fans into the frame and tighten its screws. Reconnect all the connectors. Also, install the Type-C connector. Reinstall the motherboard on the frame. Connect all connectors to the motherboard. Now attach the frame to the display. Tighten the display connector screw. Tighten the hinge screws as well. Connect the network wire as well. Sorry I couldn't make any more videos due to some camera issues. Thanks for watching till here. Photo of the laptop after replacing the keyboard. Don't forget to subscribe. It inspires me to make new videos in the future. Thank you.